Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian and we got another cool video for you. Today's video is going to be quick and easy. It's just going to show you how to change tray 1 and 2 rollers. Very easy to do. Actually, it could be a little tricky for the trays. Just one of the rollers could be a little weird to get out, but it is easier than some of the past ones. It's a little bit quicker. So tray 1 and tray 2 are exactly the same, so I'm only going to show one. But what I'm going to do just to make it a little easier is to remove both trays. So let's get both trays out. Remember, like in the last video, you just unlock these little green tabs here on the side. And if it's not unlocked, there we go. There it is. Try to be a little bit more gentle than I am. Okay, so there we go, and then what we're going to want to do is just open up the side door just like so. Just drop everything down so we can get a closer look. Okay, now that we got everything open, let's get a closer look on the inside. So you can see that's tray 1, tray 2 will be right below it. So you can see you got pretty good access to most of the rollers here. You can definitely get the pickup roller and the feet. This is the little tricky thing that I got to tell you about. There's this little retractable black plate here. Let me see if I can. It's always difficult with the camera. Let me see here. It's like this little thing right here. And you see? This retracts. I guess it kind of keeps the roller in place from falling out. But it's spring loaded. So to get this roller out, you have to use one hand to retract this while taking this other hand. Doing this on camera is gonna be very hard. And then pinch that and then swing the roller out. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. This is gonna take some skill. Come on. Did I get it? Yes. Then while keeping it retract, just kind of get that roller out of there. And if it drops, I don't care because it's not gonna go far. But yeah, that's the only part that's a little weird. So that's the feed roller. The other ones are not too bad at all. So you can just get this one here. Just pinch it outward. Just flex it, I'm sorry. Outward, and then it'll come right off. And then same thing here, flex outward. And slides right off. I find it easier to go through here. You can go through the side door. I'll show you, but I don't recommend that. It's a little bit easier to just go. So this is through the side door. You can see they're missing there. So trying to get everything out here. I did it earlier and it didn't work too well. You can definitely get this one out here, this separation. I was able to get the feet out too, but it was more difficult. Doing it from the inside of the tray like I just did was a lot easier. So you can see there's not much to it. You also have access to the one-ways too. You can slide the one-ways off on the feed and the separator as well to replace those. So that was how to do the rollers, very easy. Let's go ahead and then start the reinstallation process. And this short video will be done. Okay, now let's start the installation process. Now, installing, it's a little easier to come from the side door like you see here, which it's just that retractable plate I was telling you about. It's got to be the weirdest invention of all time. But hey, you need challenges. Very weird though. Alright, so I got it retracted back. Let's see it. There we go. Okay, so you just really got to get that retracted back with one finger. I don't think you can see me doing it, but see, retract that all the way back and then slide that roller on. Twist it until it clicks. Okay, so now we'll go back on the inside and do the rest of the rollers. Okay, let's do the feed. Oops, pick up, I'm sorry. Alright, that one's a lot easier. And just slide until it clicks. And everything. Slide till it clicks, just like that. So, not too bad. Just make sure this one for the feed just gets retracted, and then everything is in place. Like I said earlier, one ways are there. Let's get the trays in, and then we're done. Tray 2 first. Make sure they're unlocked. Make it nice and level. Angle it in. You can lock the trays in on the side. Alright, let's turn on and reset the counters, and then we're all done. Okay, so now that we changed the rollers, even though we didn't, I'm going to show you how to reset the counters. You want to reset those back to 0 so that you know they're brand new rollers, and you won't think that it's been going for 400,000. So just hit counter, and then you're going to hit display keypad, and stop 0, 0, stop 0, 1. All right, now you're going to go to counter, and then life. And then you'll just find, you see you got stuff for the fusing unit, toner, filters, but we're going to go to page 4, and you're going to see tray 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on the right is how long they're supposed to last, or just what, it'll probably alert you when it hits 300,000. Somebody set tray 3 to 200,000, maybe they're not going as long, but still 200,000 is great. So you can change that number as well, but then you can also just reset these. So say we did tray 3, you can just go over, clear, or 0 it out, and then it'll bring it back to where it needs to be. I believe you can hit new release too. So I'm not going to do that because we did not change these. I'm just going to leave them where they are, but once again, you can set these numbers on the right, no problem, and then you can clear the counters on the left. So that was how to replace tray 3 and 4 rollers on the new Konica C750i, and how to reset the counters when you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos are on the way. I promise I'm going to start banging these bad boys out. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.